it's time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, I'm glad you made your way through the awards out of the office there and got in here today.
We pushed them out of the way.
All the awards right here.
Yeah, pushed the trophies. You know, we're ready to
Made
roll.
it in. All right, well, that's the good news. And now the tough news for one of our viewers involved in a situation here. Dwayne in 44 wants to know, I took my motorcycle for an early season ride, and I was cut off by a truck and dumped it into a guardrail. I checked my bike insurance, and I have full coverage and uninsured motorist coverage. Can I pursue a claim?
Maybe, because if you know who the owner of the truck was, if you have information regarding the owner of the truck, then it's not going to be an uninsured motorist claim. You're going to have to go, you may have an underinsured motorist claim, but if you know who the owner of the truck was, if you have any information, you have to first go after the owner of the truck for pushing you off the road, into the guardrail. And the other question is, you really didn't give us any information about your injuries. If you're not hurt, there may be no reason to go after the other individual, because the full coverage is going to cover the cost of the bike. It should. Yeah.
But couple things with these types of cases. One, you didn't say it, but I hope you called the police or someone called the police. And two, you notified your insurance company. With these types of cases, assuming you don't know who the driver of the truck is or the company, then you have a phantom vehicle case. And notice is important. You always talk about giving notice of certain things. You have to notify your insurance company. You have to notify the police. The insurance company wants the right to investigate that claim. And if they don't get the notice and they say, hey, you jeopardized our rights, we're not going to give you coverage. So anytime you're in an accident, you need to just pick up the phone and let them know what happened and let them do what they got to do. But that's part of your cooperation provisions that exist in your contract for insurance with whatever company you're with.
Now, these accidents can be complicated, so our viewers who get into one and they're not sure what to do and they want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Well, and it's motorcycle season coming up too, so I mean, we get a lot of these calls. Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Yeah, and a lot of people think that you got to pick up the phone and you're going to have to, a lawyer's going to charge you to talk to you about this. All the consultations are free, and I will tell you unequivocally, it can make the quicker you pick up the phone and make that call can make the difference between having a case and preserving evidence or having no case.
That's right.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, thanks so much.
I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, don't forget, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are two ways to get a question here on the show.